What's up guys, Roberation here, and today we're going to be looking at the Status CB-1s. They are closed-back studio headphones. They are reference monitors, so they're supposed to deliver a more neutral sound. They are currently $63 right now on Amazon, and we're going to see if these headphones deliver the right mix of price and quality. Let's take a look. So looking at the back of the box, we can clearly see some of our specifications here, and that this headphone set does indeed have 50mm drivers, which should deliver fairly loud sound. Opening up the box, hopefully we'll be able to get a better idea of just how reliable these headphones are and what the build quality is like, as well as overall comfort for longer term use. Opening up the box, we can clearly see the headphones presented nicely, although the plastic opening area that the headphones are contained in is what I would call the opposite of frustration-free packaging, with all of these twist ties that have to be removed. But once the headphones are removed from the packaging, it's a fairly seamless process from there, getting them out of the box and taking a look at some of the features. So we can see that there's quite a lot of padding on these headphones, not only on the headphones themselves, but also on the top part, so that you can have comfort really around your entire head. They fold up quite easily for storage and travel purposes, and I really think this is enough foam to make longer listening sessions really comfortable. I do like the nice metal accents on the sides, but I'm not sure whether or not those are going to be fingerprint magnets and easy to scratch, but that's something only time will tell. Headphones are fairly maneuverable, and they have these expansion areas on the sides with numbers from 1 to 7, so they should be able to really fit any size head, I think. So there's really a lot of options here to kind of get the perfect fit for yourself, and I think that the comfort level on these headphones, just from looking at them in the box, should be fairly high. And it looks like we have our standard coiled cable here with a satisfying protective cover that we can use. I'm going to probably end up throwing that away though, just because taking that off every time is a little bit annoying, but it's nice that they included it, and I'm guessing it's on both of the cables here. So then in the accessories bag, it looks like we're going to have our standard 1/4" adapter, as well as a nice little thank you note from Status Audio. But in the actual accessories bag, it looks like we have a straight cable, which should be reaching quite a distance there. I'm not sure how many feet that is, but it looks long enough for most tasks. And then our 1/4" screw-on adapter, so that if you're plugging into a soundboard or something like that, you really have a lot of options here. So you have the ability to remove those cables and switch between them. So in order to remove the cable, you simply turn it clockwise to loosen it, and then you just give it a somewhat firm pull. Make sure you've actually unlocked it first before you yank on it, but then you do a firm pull and it should come right out of the headset. And once it's removed, you can go ahead and either swap cables, or if you want to try to put a wireless adapter on, you can do that too. Although the wireless adapter will probably not lock in like these cables do, but you put the new cable in, and then you will rotate this one counterclockwise to get the locked setting after you've pushed it all the way in. And then you're ready to go with the new cable. So the nice thing about this locking function is you don't have to worry about the cable getting yanked out of the headset while you're listening. On the side, you do have the little model number to let you know exactly what pair of headphones you have here. So it looks like these are the CB-1 SM. So I'm guessing the CB stands for closed back, because these are closed back studio monitors. So hopefully we shouldn't have a lot of audio bleed, and the isolation should be pretty good. And as always, you have your little left and right indicators letting you know which way to put the headphones on. Now obviously audio is very subjective. It is one of those things where you can give 20 different people the same pair of headphones, and each of them can have a completely different impression of them. But overall, these sound really good for the price. They're extremely comfortable, and I really feel fairly confident about the build quality on here. I obviously can't speak to, long-term reliability, how well these will hold up, but right now, I mean, they feel like they're put together pretty well, so I would feel comfortable throwing these in a backpack, just carrying them around for a daily pair of headphones. And I really like the ability to remove the headphone cable if you want to swap cables, or if you want to try out a Bluetooth wireless adapter on these headphones. I was actually looking online to see if there was an adapter for this specific model to make them Bluetooth. And unlike some of the other more popular headphones like Audio-Technica M50Xs, these headphones do not have an adapter yet for making them wireless, but if an adapter is made available, I will be sure to let you guys know. There's really no distortion in the sound that I could hear. There's very clear lows and mids, and the highs are very crisp. And overall, I mean, these are just a great pair of headphones for the price, in my opinion, especially if you're coming from something like a pair of cheaper on-ear headphones, or earbuds, or a gaming headset, or something like that, and you really want to just venture into the more professional area of audio and get a higher quality of headphones without really overdoing it on price. And these are something that I could see myself using not only for music listening, but also for video editing, because they allow me to hear things that other headphones won't even pick up. So as always, I'll be dropping a link to these headphones down in the description below. Let me know what you think of these headphones down in the comments below. And if you have any questions, I'll try to answer them. And as always, I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.